This is a 60-second guide to replacing the MacBook Pro 17-inch camera. Power down the MacBook, unplug all cables, and wear an ESD wrist strap. Tools required: precision Torx and Phillips drivers, spudger, tweezers, and tray. Remove the bottom case screws and keep them organized by location. Gently lift the bottom case to expose the internals and camera cable. Disconnect the battery connector to avoid electrical shorts before touching component. Locate the camera module near the display hinge and note its connector. Remove the small screws holding the camera bracket using a precision driver. Use a spudger to carefully release the ribbon cable latch and disconnect the camera. Place the old camera aside and align the replacement before seating it in place. Reinstall the camera bracket screws, reconnect the battery, and reattach the bottom case. Power on, open a camera app to test, and ensure image and audio function correctly.